Hello, it's Austin with another vlog in Kigali, Rwanda, and today we will be going on a bowling trip, and we're going to go see what a bowling alley is like in Rwanda, because I heard it's a little bit different. I'm taking the Ethiopian chick that I was with in the interview yesterday, I'm not even going to try to say her name, Salem. We're just going to say Salem, because I don't know how to say it exactly. I'm still learning. But a lot of people said that the transportation here was expensive in Kigali. I'm going to take a moto taxi there because I haven't done that since I got here. And the moto taxi is only 1,000 francs, which is literally, if you look at this, 87 cents. And the ride, it's a 15-minute ride from where I'm at. So I don't know who's talking about it's expensive. And I think the car is like double of that, which means it's only like $1.60, $1.70. Maybe for locals that's expensive, but for an American, I don't even think I need to call and tell you like, oh, it's expensive to transport there. In what way? 15 minutes for $1.70? In the United States, you would literally go maybe 17 feet for $1.70. So I don't believe that. Remember, I'm showing y'all what it really looks like from my point of view. She's with me now. It took me forever to get here. She doesn't like pictures. She likes videos.
Yeah.
But I picked her up from this neighborhood. And this is like the, what is that neighborhood? The Miralagos of Grand Prairie, Texas. This is exactly what this neighborhood looks like. I'm going to record it for a little bit so y'all can see that there's even better in Rwanda. I love it so much. I think I still like Kenya more. But, it is expensive when you pay by car.
Personally.
Shit.
Sweet. How much did you pay?
To get here, 1,000, but by car it's gonna take us 5,700 to get there. Down here, I end up having to cancel on him. I just don't think he just didn't want to drive that day. I mean, I think he just didn't want to drive. Okay, and so for everybody, oh, by the way, this ride was $5,705 for about 15 minutes, 17 minutes, which is more than it would be in Uganda, but it's, I don't think my viewers should be complaining at all. Not at all, because in the United States, 15 minutes is $30, so take it or leave it. But I didn't introduce her, so we're gonna go ahead. Tell everybody your name again.
Selam.
And you're from where?
Ethiopia.
All right. Where are we going? Nah, I'm just playing with you. We're not. To Mamba. We're going to the bowling alley Mamba. So I'm going to show you a little bit more of the neighborhood. So their version of Uber out here is called Yego Rwanda. And I had my debit card connected and the damn card doesn't go through. So a big tip I can give you on Africa is you need to download this app called World Remit, whatever it is. You download that and you can pay them through the phone or where they can go pick up the money, but it saves a lot of time. I just wasted like 10 minutes sitting in the car trying to make the payment. So, but we're here now at this bowling alley that's in like this little secluded courtyard thing. Seems like we got here kind of early, so it's not really too many people up here, but I guess we can get some. Well, I need to get something to eat, and then we can start bowling or whatever. And over there, you seen they have like a what is it? Beach volleyball. Go ahead. Don't laugh at me. Look at her curly afro. And then we got a pool here. And it's a bowling alley up there. And I think we got here too early. It looks like they're going to have to turn on the generator for us to play bowling. So, I don't know. Like she's camera shy right now. But anyway, This is what the bowling alley would look like. They said it's different. It looks like a regular bowling alley to me. What's different about it?
Who said it won't be?
Who was telling me? Somebody told me I need to go bowling because there was gonna be somebody at the end walking. Was that you that told me that? What are you talking about? I thought we was gonna have some sort of old school person waiting at the end to pick up the bowling pins. Oh, she's cute. Anyway, what she meant was whenever you roll the ball down the alley, instead of the machine sweeping it up and returning the pins, they manually do it with a person. So I guess it's a slightly different experience, and the bowling alley is outdoors. I don't think I've been to a bowling alley that was basically outdoors. All right, we're gonna take this picture for the thumbnail.
Okay,
They ain't gonna be able to see that. Look. Smile. All right. Hopefully they. There's one there. And there's one over there with her. Can I try this? The chicken fried rice. Chicken fried rice.
Fried rice.
Chicken fried rice, yes.
Okay.
And then I think I'm gonna drink again.
Beer, which one?
No, not beer for sure. Not. Can you bring a double shot of this Black Label?
Black label double shot.
She's so shy. Like my friend said, she's a little shy right now. Remember that video? When he said he truly.
she was like sitting on his lap.
Okay. So what we do is. Oh, I can't. They can't see that.
I know, but like,
You don't want to be you don't want to be genuine.
if you zoom, it won't look nice.
I'm not gonna zoom. No, it looks closer when I pull it up. All right, y'all. She wants me to show her how to bowl because she said she recommended going bowling. I think, and she didn't recommend, but I recommended, but she said that she doesn't know how to bowl, so we're gonna show her today. Yay! Start this dot, this circle, and then and stop at that circle and throw it. I think that's what you do. I don't really know. No. You gotta run. So like you gotta run into the throw. You got to. Oh. Huh?
I'm not gonna get one.
Yes, you will. Oh. No. Whoa. So now after bowling, we're at the tailor to pick up some more clothes, the rest of my dress shirts, and a pair of jeans. And then I'm gonna get something else to eat again. She said she made this shirt for me. Okay. You guys, so out of all the shirts I got, the pink shirt, I had a navy, I had a black shirt, a burgundy shirt, and a pink shirt. And the white shirt that she made, she needs to reduce it more. She didn't make that for me. She got it, and it needs to be tailored to me. But they did the jeans, and the jeans fit good here, but I think they're way too short. Something's not right. Something's not right. They didn't make these jeans. And they look kind of tight right now, but since they're stretched, the more I walk around, they'll open up. Like if you sit like that, they'll start to loosen. Like you see, they can already loosen up a little more, but you do that 10 times. So everything fit, but I mean, not everything fit the pink shirt, but these could be a little slimmer. These are the ones I wore in here today, but they look better longer than shorter, if you ask me. Maybe not this long, but maybe like that with these shoes. But at the same time, they're fine sitting on the shoes like this because sometimes I wear boots, and you don't want short jeans with boots. That looks weird. So we're gonna get them to fix those. But I'm gonna take the pink shirt home. I'll try it on again when I get home to show y'all.